about spleen. Spleen is the secondary lymphoid organ that will filter the blood and remove the old RBCs antigen, and it contains the white pulp. The white pulp is linked with the immune response, and the red pulp is linked with the RBC destruction. Spleen is located in the left upper quadrant. So a secondary lymphoid organ, which is also known as an antigen encounter site, it filters blood, not the lymph. It is located in the left upper quadrant or the left hypochondrium. It is partly in the epigastrium and it is posterior to the stomach. It has a splenic, it is connected to the splenic artery and vein. It is involved in the blood filtration. It removes the old RBCs, destroys the aged, damaged red blood cells, and it stores the RBCs. It is also an extra red blood cell reservoir. It is involved for the immune response via its white pulp, which has lymphocytes and antigen-presenting cells. It opposes microorganisms, it kills bacteria in the blood, and it is also linked with the blood cell production before birth, leading to fetal hematopoiesis. In fetus, spleen makes blood. So spleen is located in the left upper quadrant of the abdomen, anterolateral to the left kidney, deep to the 9th to 11th ribs, commonly injured in the blunt abdominal trauma. Splenic dysfunction, like in postsplenectomy, sickle cell disease, or autosplenectomy, there is decreased level of IgM, leading to decreased complement activation, decreased C3b opsonization, and increased susceptibility to encapsulated organism, against which patients should be vaccinated from most to the least common, from most common pneumococci, then meningococci, and then Haemophilus influenzae type B. Postsplenectomy findings include Hobel-Joly bodies, nuclear remnants, target cells, thrombocytosis, loss of sequestration and removal, and lymphocytosis, loss of sequestration. Red pulp RBCs, destruction site, has sinusoids and also the reticular fibrous meshwork. And white pulp has follicles, B cells, mental zone, and germinal center, and also has marginal zone and periarteriolar lymphoid sheath. If we talk about the main region, you have a white pulp that contains lymphocytes, T and B cells, and antigen-presenting cells involved in the immune response, and the red pulp that contains RBCs and macrophages, and for the RBC destruction and old and damaged cells. Periarteriolar lymphatic sheath contains T cells located in the white pulp. Periarteriolar lymphatic sheath. Follicles contains B cells located in white pulp. Marginal zones contains macrophages and also the specialized B cells, site where antigen presenting cells capture the blood-borne antigen for recognition by lymphocytes, located between the red pulp and the white pulp, and contains specialized B cells and macrophages.